day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward@gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Yes, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just marketing a particular product for your company, selling the product and getting commission for each product you sell. Commission, I mean a percentage of the money you sold the product for, which is given unto you. For instance, if a product costs $100 and you market and sell the product for a particular company, let's say for instance ClickBank for example, yes, because I'm going to train you on how to make money on ClickBank. So after you sell the product for $100, ClickBank can decide to give you $20 from the money. So that is your own commission from the job you've done for ClickBank. So that is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is one of the best way and the easiest way of making money from home. Yes, you can make money from the comfort of your home through affiliate marketing. And there are different means and methods by which you can make big money and get great commission on affiliate marketing, like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the result of one of my students. This is the account of one of my students who bought my software and video course and is doing fine already on ClickBank affiliate marketing. As you can see, this excellent result. You have $500, $600, $700, and that is the daily earning from him. So one of the things you need to have or to know to become a successful affiliate marketer is that you need a strong backup for your traffic. Yes, traffic, I mean traffic are people that come to your affiliate link or that have access to your affiliate product. Yes, because the more traffic and more targeted traffic you have, the more people that go to access your link and see your product, and the probability of them getting your product and for you to get great commission. You need great traffic and reliable and real organic traffic who are going to buy the product which you are going to market it for any of your affiliate marketing platform. So where I come in is that I have the software which I design myself. I am also a software developer. I've been using this software over the time now, and it has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. As I told you earlier on, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing excellently fine. He got the software on 13th and he started earning on 14th. Yes, with my software you are going to have access to more than 2,000 organic traffic daily. Yes, you are going to have access to more than 2,000 targeted organic traffic daily who are going to access your affiliate link and products, and they are going to get your product online. So to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform like this, my students, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen on Telegram to get my software and video course now and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So contact me today and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And all my students know that when you get my software and video course and you have any issue, I'm going to stick by you till we get it down and we find a solution to every problem. And remember that my video course is self-explanatory. It will take you step by step. Also, my video course entails some important information on which will help you to get great commission on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because there are some strategy which you need to know and apply in your affiliate marketing business. So contact me now on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.